Hi everyone. Welcome to Coco Senor, and today I will teach you how to unlock iPhone without Face ID and password. Here are the solutions. Way 1. Unlock iPhone without Face ID and passcode by iCloud. Access iCloud.com on any device. Yes, you need to sign into the Apple ID account, which is the same as that of your locked iPhone. Most of the time, you need to finish the two-factor authentication. OK. Click the Find My option. And ensure your operation. Now, your locked iPhone is here. Select it. Click the Erase this device option. Click Next. Then follow the on-screen instructions to make the iPhone erased. Well, the locked iPhone is erased. Way 2. Unlock iPhone without Face ID and passcode by iTunes. Make sure the iPhone is connected to the computer and in recovery mode. Open iTunes on your computer. Then go on with the Restore option. Hit the Restore and Update option. iTunes will download and install the latest iOS on your device. Once completed, you would see the Hello screen. Way 3. Unlock iPhone without Face ID and passcode by iPhone Passcode Tuner. Make sure iTunes is installed on the computer. Open cocozena.com and find the iPhone Passcode Tuner webpage. After that, download and install the software. Now open Coco Senor iPhone Passcode Tuner. Click Unlock Lock Screen, and click Start. OK, connect the iPhone to your computer. Then make your iPhone enter recovery mode. Go back to your computer, and click Next on the software interface. Your iPhone details are listed here. Click Download. The firmware package is downloading. Oh, the firmware is verified success. The software tells users this unlocking process will erase all iPhone data. If you are okay with this, click Unlock. Alright, you made it. The iPhone restarts on the Hello screen. You can set it up now. If needed, you can create a new passcode to lock your iPhone. Way for Unlock iPhone on iOS 15.2 or later without a computer. Try all possible passwords until you get the iPhone unavailable screen. Tap Forgot Passcode instead. Click Start iPhone Reset. Enter the Apple ID password. Tap Erase iPhone. OK, the iPhone is reset to factory settings. That's all. Thanks for watching.